are back, you guys. We're gonna get straight into the install. Quick test fit with the full lip on. I don't think I can get enough that front end. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Hope you guys are having a beautiful day. We are going to be working on the G82 M4, Sebastian's G82. If you guys remember from previous videos, shout out to the boy. We got a ride along, we got to test drive, and today we're going to be installing some carbon fiber on the whip. So yes, you guys heard it right. We are going to be installing a carbon fiber lip on the front bumper of the G82. Now, while we wait for the homie who just pulled up right now, go down, hit that subscribe button. Check out all the previous videos we got on the G82. That being said, let's get straight to it. Oh, yes, sir. I think we need a tunnel run with that one. Yeah. Oh my God, that shit sounds gorgeous, bro. So we are gonna be needing some wood for this install, just so we can get his car up. You guys get a good look at it without the front lip before we actually install the new front lip. Yeah, you clear that. Take a look at it, you guys. It's about to be a game changer. Just so we got some space to put this lip on.
And then the lip is a 3-piece, so.
Oh my God, that shit looks gorgeous.
That shit's some beautiful carbon fiber.
You guys see all the KWs coming very soon. But yeah, like you said, 3-piece carbon fiber CSL.
Yeah, CSL style lip.
Christmas came a bit late, you guys, but it's okay. It's always a good thing when we got car parts.
Dry carbon fiber.
This is gonna add a great touch to the exterior carbon. If you guys haven't watched the other video, do check it out. But carbon package with these carbon vents. Do take a look at it right now. Let us know what you guys think. OEM style, carbon fiber lip. We're gonna get straight into the install, show you guys a how-to. Quick glimpse for you guys. Basically, like we said, 3-piece. This piece adds on right here. And look at that already. It looks as if this was just OEM. This should have came from the factory. Fitment is so perfect. Homie was saying these come off.
Yeah. And
those are going to be replaced with the 3-piece carbon fiber lip add-ons that we're going to add. And then it's just 3M tape and bolt on. And should be good to go.
So basically this, it just looks like it has 3 attachment points. Might throw some 3M on there.
Definitely for safety.
Good measure. But yeah, real dry carbon. It's going to just replace this little piece. This piece looks out of place, honestly. Like how it comes from factory. Very disappointing in my opinion.
First things first, 10mm bolts, one on top and then one down here. We're gonna loosen those up. Once we loosen those up, we'll be able to pull it back and get to that 8mm that is under. So if we take you guys in, the 8mm is actually right there. In addition to the two 10mm on the fender lining and the one 8mm hidden inside, there is also another 8mm tucked in between here that you guys can kind of see briefly. What we're gonna have to do is cop the bumper back a little bit and then access that 8mm in there.
Those are gonna be 110 right here, 110 right here, and then a little plastic clip right here.
This thing should just easily pop out. I think there's one more right here. Perfect. All right, you guys, so once that 8mm, two 8mm are off, the under clips that you guys take off are off. It's really just clipped in and you just pop it out.
So there's 3 clips right there, then that's where that pesky 8mm goes. Yep. So you gotta make sure to remove this so that you can put it on the new one.
Swap it over. If you guys are a little scared of, you know, breaking something, it's really just clipped on and you kind of have to give it a little bit of elbow grease just to pop it out. We are going to clean this whole area, repeat the same thing on the other side, and then prepare for installation.
Put this white piece back on because that's what has the threads for the 8mm. There is more mounting points.
Compared to the aftermarket, yep.
Yeah, so there's 2 more mounting points. So it's 8mm, a 10mm, and then a clip right here. Look at that difference. And we'll do a little test fit.
Quick test fit just to give you guys an idea. Look at that aggressiveness.
Look how much better that looks. And that fitment.
That arrow is insane.
Point. Looks so much better. Now I'm gonna hit this with some detailing spray.
But while he does that, we're gonna tackle on this side, get that piece off, and then continue with the install. So hardest part of this whole install, I would honestly say, would be this pesky 8mm tucked inside here. And like we were saying,
it's a little
gut wrenching.
It hurts. Yeah.
It's gut wrenching for sure, but you guys saw it really just clips in.
Oh, there we go.
Even the fitment on this is just insane. We are gonna put in that 8mm bolt, the 10 under, and then the 1 clip to hold this in place and continue with this install. Now, quick test fit with the full lip on. Oh wow.
Yeah.
From point to point, this already looks amazing. We'll get everything lined up and installed and then show you guys the final product. Both fins are on driver's side, passenger. All that's left is the middle piece. As you guys can see, we added some 3M tape all along the upper side of the lip. That's what's gonna make contact with the actual bumper. And after that, it's really just aligning it and getting it on. And just like that, you guys, carbon fiber lip is on the G82, and tell me that front end does not look aggressive. Everything flows so perfectly. I personally recommend this lip. If you guys are thinking of getting one, highly recommend it. All in all, it paid off though, because that front end is crazy. Please let me know you guys' thoughts on this. This front end is so
much
nice.
more menacing now.
It's so much more menacing. You take a step back and you just, oh my God.
The fitment is
And the fitment is on
huh?
point, like I said. Hardest part was really just those 8mm on each side. Everything else though fits perfectly and aligns. You can't go wrong with
Now
this.
just imagine it with the CSL style grill right here.
Coming soon, so y'all stay tuned. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, show some love. Like I said, you guys, let us know what you guys think about the carbon lip. I absolutely love it. We are gonna pull it out. Real question is, will it scrape, or is he still good enough to clear the driveway? And we are off, you guys. Go slow just because you got the new lip on. And we cleared. Yeah, that exhaust is out of this world. All right, next shot, POV from the passenger side seat. Woohoo! Yes, sir. I felt that for sure. Not only do I feel it, but these brakes catch, and that exhaust note is insane. If you guys want to see more content like this, let us know. If you guys want a full-on depth review on the exhaust, we will have something coming for you guys. That being said, you guys, we find ourselves back in the carbon seats. I can't get tired of these seats right here, man. Or that exhaust, or that torque. Woo. Those downshifts too, though. G chassis, something of its own class as well. This exhaust, this more things to come, you guys. Like I said, show some love to the boy on the IG. I will be tagging his IG down below. Moving back around. Can't get enough tunnel runs. Can't get enough exhaust notes. Nothing wrong with that, you guys. You guys got to realize we're still fully catted, not tuned, stock. And by stock, I mean literally just an exhaust. Just like that, we approach our destination. Oh, a nice 350Z.
That thing's clean.
That color is nice. Let us now get a review on this lip. Yeah, you got to take it in, man.
Yeah, that thing looks good.
That smile says it all.
It does.
But look at that, game changer for sure. The aggressiveness went from like little child to give me all your lunch money.
Well, I feel like even like, you know, I'm not a fan of the grill, but this lip, it just brings the front together so much more that it makes that grill look better.
Well, like you were saying, it looks almost OEM plus, as in like this should have came factory, because it's not as aggressive to the point where you know it's aftermarket, but it's just so subtle and it just flows perfectly to the point where, oh man, I recommend it. If you guys are thinking about getting a lip, by all means go ahead. Install, like I said, relatively easy. I would recommend it be a 2-person job. I don't think I can get enough of that front end. Only real thing left, I believe, would just be side skirts for the homie. Because like I said, he came with the carbon package, which comes with the diffuser, carboned already.
You've got the side skirts with the little kick out, and then you've got the things that go right
Oh, I
here
forgot,
to
you're
match
right. We
that.
do have the little side kickouts. Just imagine when all this stuff is on, it's just gonna change the car completely. Quick glimpse for an upcoming video, if anything. You guys hit that subscribe button, stay tuned to the channel. Plenty of parts coming. This is just a sneak peek right now. Look at that. Now with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the install. Shout out again to the homie for the ride along and everything. Show some love to him, but also show some love to this front end with the carbon lip and everything.
Don't sleep on the G80.
Do not sleep on this platform. That being said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic, y'all. Until the next one, peace.